What? Woo, 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 woo. Sound like Uncle Bob in college.
No. There you go. There you go. Yeah, Corbin. You're at Grandpa's. Put it in your mouth. Go ahead and eat it. Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth.
Who was that? Was that Dad? Where's Mama? Where's Mama? Where's Mama? Mama. We got to get the basics down before we can go out, you know.
Will you take those chicken breasts?